Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I am going to compare the display quality between the OnePlus 7 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So during the test, I'll be playing the same 4K video at 30 frames per second in both the phones, OnePlus 7 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and we'll be checking how is the video quality during the test. So first I'll be going through the basic specifications about the OnePlus 7 Pro and what are the difference between the Note 10 Plus. So first the OnePlus 7 Pro comes with the fluid AMOLED display, as you can see here. So whereas the Note 10 Plus comes with a dynamic AMOLED panel. So whereas the OnePlus 7 Pro has a screen size of 6.67 inches and Note 10 Plus has a screen size of 6.8 inches. So in terms of the resolution, the OnePlus 7 Pro is a little bit slightly higher than the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So as you can see here. So even the pixel density is much higher in the OnePlus 7 Pro when compared with the Note 10 Plus. And the OnePlus 7 Pro is using Gorilla Glass 5 and whereas Note 10 Plus is using 6. And both are the HDR 10 Plus certified, as you can see here. And whereas the OnePlus 7 Pro has an additional 90 Hz refresh rate, so which makes this phone little bit upper hand when compared with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So now let me show you what settings I'm using throughout the video test. So let me go to the display and you can see a screen calibration. So in the screen calibration, I'll be using the advanced option with AMOLED, selecting the option. And let me try to increase the saturation colors as much as possible. So I'm not using the vivid or natural colors because the saturation levels are not that high when compared with the advanced settings. So that's why I'm trying to increase in both the phones. So let's check which phones has a little bit high contrast and saturation levels. And I'm using the 90 Hz refresh rate in the OnePlus 7 Pro. And now let me show you what settings I'm using in the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So I turned off the blue light filter mode as well. And screen resolution in the Note 10 Plus you can decrease to 1080p as well. Even in the OnePlus 7 Pro also you can decrease. But I'm using the both high resolution in both the phones. So let me show you in the OnePlus 7 Pro. So as you can see here. So Quad HD plus resolution in the OnePlus 7 Pro. So both are of same resolution. Now let me show you screen mode. So I'm using the vivid. So if I use the natural, it's not that high saturated colors. So that's why I'm using the vivid colors. So with high RGB colors. So now let me open the same video in both the phones. So as you can see here. So now I'm playing the same video in both the phones with full brightness. So the OnePlus 7 Pro has slightly higher saturation levels when compared with the Note 10 Plus. So whereas the Note 10 Plus has slightly increased brightness. So the Note 10 Plus has slightly punch hole display here, so which makes little bit disturbance while watching the videos. And the OnePlus 7 Pro has a edge screen as well on both the sides. So whereas the Note 10 Plus also has the edge screen. So all the corners are a little bit not rounded. So while watching the videos, you get this kind of reflection at the edges in the OnePlus 7 Pro, not in the Note 10 Plus. So overall the saturation levels are a little bit higher, slightly higher in the OnePlus 7 Pro when compared with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, guys. So this is the overall display comparison between the OnePlus 7 Pro and the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So even I did a comparison video between the Redmi K20 Pro as well. So check the links in the description for the video comparison between all the phones. So you will get a clear idea which phone is much brighter and saturated. So overall, in terms of the display quality, I feel OnePlus 7 Pro is little bit slightly higher saturated than the Note 10 Plus, and the OnePlus 7 Pro has got a 90 Hz refresh rate as well, which is very good advantage when compared with the Note 10 Plus device, guys. So this is the overall display comparison between the both the phones. So in the future, I'll be doing the charging time taken to charge between both the phones as well, charging test comparison, even with the gameplay comparison and multitasking comparison as well. So both the phones are having right now 12 GB variant. So model which I'm using, the OnePlus 7 Pro, is 12 GB RAM variant. So whereas the Note 10 Plus also have the 12 GB RAM variant. So I'll be doing a lot of multitasking testing the both phones, which phones are much faster in terms of the multitasking. So subscribe to my channel, guys. If you have any queries, do let me know. Comment below, guys, which display you like the most. See you in the next video. Bye.